Hey, be honest. Have you ever felt this way? Your dreams are big, but your energy is zero. You make plans. Think, I'll start tomorrow, but that tomorrow never comes. You want to write a book, get fit, learn something new. But instead, you just pick up your phone and start scrolling, or turn on the TV. The question is, are you really lazy? The answer is no, you're not lazy, you're just confused, overloaded, and lacking direction. So today, let's clear that confusion, wipe off the dust, and ignite a big fire from a tiny spark. I'll share 7 powerful steps that can change everything. After this, you'll stop underestimating yourself, face reality, and even tackle hard tasks. Why does your brain resist? Because it's a comfort-seeking machine. Its job is to avoid pain, chase pleasure, and save energy. That's why your brain naturally avoids boring, hard, or new things. Basically, your brain is lazy. The hardest part of any tough task is starting, like jumping into a cold pool. You hesitate at first, but once you're in, the body adapts. Same with tasks. Once you start, your body and brain sync up. Make a deal with yourself. I'll do this for just 2 minutes. Read the first paragraph, the first sentence. Do just 1 push-up. That's it. Don't overthink it, just start. In most cases, you'll keep going beyond 2 minutes, because once momentum builds, it's hard to stop. No options. Do you wake up wondering if you'll brush your teeth today? No. It's non-negotiable. Give your hard tasks the same status. Tell yourself, I'm the kind of person who does hard things no matter what. If it were easy, anyone could do it. But I'm not just anyone, I'm special. Shift your identity from trying to this is what I do. Your willpower battery is limited. Making the same decisions daily wears you out. So, remove choices. Build a system. Want to study? Set a timer. Remove distractions. Want to work out? Lay out your gym clothes the night before. Need to make a tough call? Block time in your calendar. Design your environment so it's easy to start. Use Mel Robbins' method. When you feel resistance, start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Get up and take action immediately. This simple trick shuts down overthinking and makes action easier. But after the work, your brain loves rewards. Use them wisely. Tell yourself, if I finish this task, I'll have a coffee break, or watch 1 episode. But reward only after the task is done. If you reward yourself before, your brain learns that delay gets rewarded, and that habit never breaks. The tasks that seem hard are the ones that help you grow. Champions don't feel motivated every day, but they show up every single day. Discomfort is equal to growth. So, next time something feels hard, tell yourself, this is what sets me apart. Just like pain builds muscles in the gym, discomfort builds character in life. So next time you feel like, this is too hard, or I don't feel like doing it, remember, start just for 2 minutes. Remove choices. Build a system. Use the countdown trick. Reward after action. Embrace discomfort. That's your growth zone. And most importantly, never wait for motivation. Motivation is a guest. Action is your permanent resident. So if you came to your phone just to scroll and ended up watching this, it's not a coincidence. It's a message from above. Your dreams are waiting. Take 1 small step now. Open your book. Open your laptop. Make that call. Do 1 push-up. Just start. That's what separates successful people from everyone else. They act instantly. They don't say, I'll do it tomorrow or later. Because the person who does the hard work even without mood is the one who turns dreams into reality. A dream is like a spark. Every small action is a log that turns that spark into a fire. So keep listening to great ideas from great books. If you enjoyed this video and made it this far, please like, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, you start, right now. And finally, you guys are amazing. Keep reading, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you for watching.